Is everything cake? I walk down the street when there's no one about. Are those lampposts made of pastry? I touch the curb. It's Battenberg, so moist, so rich, so tasty. I want to show you I love you, to gently hold your hand. But what if your skin is fondant or your heart is marzipan? I want to show you I love you and lovingly touch your hair, but inches from your locks I falter, for what if you're made of eclair? What if our lives are a lie, one confectioner's scheme, a world spun from sugar and butter, a fondant-covered dream? Who can we trust? What do we know? Is this all part of some bakery show? Is the sky just frosting? The stars marzipan? Is the universe itself baked by a cosmic hand? Is everything cake? Does it really matter? When life tastes this good, I'll just get fatter and fatter.